So I just came across another work from home job, and this job is going to shock you guys. So this job actually pays over $40 per hour, 40, which, probably isn't a big deal because yes, there are jobs out there that pay $40 an hour. But here's the kicker. This job is not a customer service job. You don't have to be on the phone, and this job actually has a really low bar for you to get in, right? So basically, the job only requires that you have a high school diploma or GED. This is actually listed in the job listing. I'll go through it with you guys. And also, the preferred qualifications or the preferred work experience is also 0 years. So basically, it's a entry-level position that can pay you over $40 an hour, and this job is work from home. So be sure to stick around because I'm actually going to be talking about two jobs here. One is going to be a bit more advanced. If you do have some experience, you can apply for that one. But if you have maybe just a year's worth of experience and you only have like a high school diploma, or even if you have an associate's degree or even a bachelor's degree, basically just about anyone can get this job because the qualifications and the requirements are set so low. And again, you can make over $40 per hour. Now guys, if this is your first time here, my name is Eann. On this channel, I talk about ways to make money, ways to save money. I talk about jobs, bank accounts, everything personal finance related. So be sure to give the video a thumbs up if you like these videos. Also, be sure to subscribe. That's the only way. Also, be sure to turn on the notifications. That's the only way you'll be able to get the updates of when I post new videos on this channel. And if you guys ever want to talk to me one-on-one, you can message me on Instagram. Link is here on the screen or down below. But with that said, let's jump right into this job. So today I'm going to be talking about a job at the Home Depot. Now, in my previous video, I talked about jobs at the Home Depot, but those were customer service related jobs, and those jobs paid around $18.50 an hour. You can go and check out my last video if you want to see that, if that's what you're looking for. But here you're gonna go back to the same website, and I'm gonna leave the link down below so this is easy for you guys to find it. But when you get to the website and you hit shop jobs, instead of actually looking at all the categories of job, you're gonna go to the search bar here. You're not gonna put anything for the location, but keywords, you're gonna type remote and you're gonna hit search. And that is gonna bring up all the currently available or listed remote positions in the United States. So they're gonna have multiple states, and also the Home Depot is based out of Atlanta, Georgia. So most of the jobs are gonna be remote work from home in Atlanta or in that state. But from time to time, you'll see jobs in other states. So, there are jobs in other states here. So if you come here and you see a job that you like, but it's not available where you live right now, then be sure to check back every week because new jobs are posted. And you definitely want to be the first to find out when these new jobs are posted. And I'll keep providing you guys with updates, but be sure to check back once every week just to see if there are any new jobs. So today, I'm gonna go through some of these jobs, and most of these jobs that I saw here were tech positions. So if you're into tech and you have experience there, then this is great for you. But we're gonna be talking about some other jobs, entry-level jobs. So this is what I wanna talk about, the project manager. And you may be saying, well, Eann, project manager does not sound entry level. And basically, it is kind of entry level because of the requirements. So let's look at the qualifications for this job, right? Minimum qualifications, you need to be 18 years of age or older, and you need to be legally permitted to work in the US. Preferred qualifications, 1 to 3 years of relevant work experience working as a product manager. And so you may be saying, okay, Eann, this actually requires project manager experience. And that is true. However, because these are preferred qualifications, if you don't have every single thing here, and you can go through, companies that you've worked for before, and you can see what you have or what you've done that will be good to highlight on your resume that they may be looking for in this job listing. So you may have some of this stuff. If you don't have everything, you can still apply. However, this is not the entry-level position. You can apply for this one. This job actually pays around $150,000 per year. It's around $100,000, but there are also benefits that get it up to like $153,000. We'll talk about the salary in a bit, but let's go back one step. So that was the project manager. However, if we go below, here we have the associate project manager. So naturally, the associate project manager is gonna have a lower bar to entry than the actual project manager. Now this one is the real entry level job. So let's go at qualifications, right? Must be 18 years of age or older, must be legally permitted to work in the US. And here it goes. Preferred qualifications, 0. They literally put this in the job listing, 0 to 1 years of relevant work experience, meaning you could have no relevant work experience because it says 0 to 1 years. Now, there is some other stuff in here that you may not know about, like agile and stuff like that. You can watch YouTube videos to get the methodology on this stuff. Also, you can look at the preferred qualifications and then look at your previous work experience to see if there's anything here that you can highlight from a past job that would match or closely align with these preferred qualifications. But again, these are preferred qualifications, and the first thing they put is 0 to 1 years of relevant work experience. So if you don't have project manager experience, then you should still apply for this job because the minimum qualifications, you'll meet those. And this is for the associate project manager position. And this job is remote. Now, minimum education. All you need here is a high school diploma or GED. Preferred education, no additional education. Minimum years of work experience is 0. Preferred years of work experience, no additional years of experience. Minimum leadership experience, none. Preferred leadership experience is also none. Certifications, none. Competencies, these are stuff that you'll probably develop while you're working at other jobs. But you can also put this stuff in your resume because you don't necessarily have to have experience with these competencies to be able to do them, right? I mean, building partnerships and working with others to meet shared objectives. You don't necessarily have to work in a position to have that competency, right? So this is an entry-level job that you can get into, and this job pays around $90,000 per year, which is around $43 per hour. I'll get into that in a bit and show you guys the salary, but that is the job here. It's an associate project manager and it's remote. Now, if you look at the job description, this is what you'll be required to do in this job. So be sure to go through this, and whatever you find in here, you want to go ahead and align your resume with what the objectives are of this job so that your resume will be tailored for this job, and this way you can actually land an interview here. Now, benefits. If you watched my previous video, you probably know this, but the Home Depot gives you paid parental leave. They give you a 401k savings plan with company match. They give you increases and performance bonuses, and they give you on-the-spot recognition and rewards for a job well done. Now, I mentioned before that the project manager made around $100,000 per year, but total compensation was around $150,000. That is because of these increases and performance bonuses, right? And you can also see more benefits that will take you somewhere else, and you'll see all the benefits that you can actually get at this job, but we probably won't be looking at that in this video. So you guys can click on all these links and do that. But let's actually go and look at Glassdoor to see what the salary is for this position. So we're going to be looking at the salary for the product manager and the associate project manager. And again, guys, this is remote work from home. You don't have to use the phone. So this is a good deal. So if we go to Glassdoor, this is the salary here. The project manager at the Home Depot on average is around $153,000 per year. Base pay is over $106,000 and additional pay is around $46,000. That is a lot of money, guys. Now, if we go ahead and we look at the other job listing, I think that was the associate project manager, and we could type that in here, project manager, and we can click on associate project manager, and here we go, $90,000 per year, $74,000 to $113,000. That is the range, right? So even at 74, or even here they say 20 salaries submitted, lowest here was 72. Actually here the lowest was 67. Still $67,000 is a lot of money working from home remotely, right? And also for an entry-level job. And you guys, you could use this job to get some managerial experience, and you can then transfer into a senior management position in a couple of years after working here and getting this experience. So again, around $90,000 per year on average, and that works out to be around $43.27 per hour. So this job pays over $40 per hour. You work from home remotely, you don't have to be on the phone, and this is an entry-level position, but the job title doesn't sound like an entry-level position. So I think this is something that'll be really great to have on your resume as well. So the next time you're looking for a job, you have this managerial experience, because that's going to be really good for you. So be sure to check out all the jobs here at the Home Depot. They have like, a couple of pages worth of jobs, so you can go through all these jobs. You'll probably find other jobs or remote opportunities that are close to entry level or entry level that you can do as well. Apply for those jobs. And guys, if you've worked at the Home Depot before remotely, comment down below. Let me know the position you worked at, how much they paid you, and if you enjoyed working there, if you're still working there, let me know what the experience was like working there. Also for other people watching this video, so they can see your comments and see what it is like to work at the Home Depot. So with that said, all the best with finding your dream remote work from home job. I'll see you guys very soon in the next one. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and subscribe so you don't miss the updates of when I post similar videos. With that said, all the best. I'll see you guys very soon. Peace.